Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Got the old Mongo man with you here this evening. Out in Mongo's garage on a Monday evening. I believe it is October the 15th or 16th. One or the other. I'm not sure which. Anyway, it is Monday evening. Came out here and put about an hour and a half in. Finished up grinding the frame. Got everything good and clean, and then ran out of the self-etching primer. So I got to pick up some more of that, and then we can finish painting the frame. But for the most part, the inside is all done. Just need to finish up the outside. You can see here I did flip the frame back over. It's now sitting upright the way it's supposed to. As you can see, the inside of that frame is all clean and painted. I did hit a couple more spots here just now that I found. That transmission cross member was still pretty dirty, so I hit it again real hard. And there were some spots over here on the side. There was a tube that ran back the frame there for the evaporative emissions controls that I deleted here right now, but I will have to put it back on there because we definitely need it. It goes up to the front of the truck where the charcoal canister, or into the charcoal canister. So yeah, you can look down the frame there and see both sides of it are really nice and painted. All cleaned up, looking good. And like I said, tomorrow once we get, I'll stop and get some more self-etching primer and we can paint the rest of it. Then the frame will be all primed and we can flip it back over. Hopefully real soon we'll get the front mounts for the leaf springs. We can get those put back on, set the leaf springs on it, set the rear end in it, and get that rear end put back together. Obviously, like we talked about, the front end's done. Looking good. But yeah, so that's what we got done tonight. Again, it is Monday. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get back out here. Wednesday night, however, we will not be here. It's KJ's all-conference banquet for football. And then Thursday we'll be back out, and Friday I'm going to have off too. Cheryl has a parade down in Wheeling, so we got to go to that. But for the most part, happy with what I got done tonight. Sad I ran out of paint. Should have bought a couple more cans of paint, but that's where we're at now. Thanks for watching. Check back with you soon. See you guys. Tuesday evening here in Mongo's garage. We got the frame flipped back over. Now it's sitting on its back once again, but lowered to the ground so that we could get the rear suspension and the rear housing bolted into it. Yes, we are going to go with a 9-inch, as you can see there. And what you might see that's a little strange, not normal, is that this is a 4-wheel drive truck and there are no lift blocks on it. But why, Mongo, are there no lift blocks on a 4-wheel drive truck? What are you doing? You trying to make a lowrider 4-wheel drive? No, that's not what I'm doing. We have installed 3/4 ton leaf springs so that this little half-ton pickup truck can haul something or tow something without looking like it's an absolute gutless wonder. Yes, it's going to ride a little rougher than maybe you want it to, but it's a 1986 F150. It's going to ride like a road wagon anyway. So yep, that's where we're at. We got everything done here in the back. Everything's installed, nice and tight, cleaned up, as you can see, painted. Got all our brackets in. Really happy with how everything's looking, how everything's fitting. I think the truck is going to sit probably, well, it should definitely sit just about exactly where it should as a half-ton pickup, simply because we've got the bigger springs in it now with no lift blocks and the worn out coils from the original 1980 4-wheel drive pickup. Which should look real good because we're going to put a set of 32s under it, we think. That's the plan for now. We're going to tuck them up in the wheel wells and hopefully everything fits nice. All right, so that's going to be it for tonight. Like I said, Wednesday night, and as you can see, we did get the rest of the frame painted tonight. Inside, outside, upside down. Everything's been painted and is essentially ready. It'll have to all be washed because it's covered in dust right now, but before we paint it black. All right, that's it for tonight, guys. It is Tuesday, and again, like I said, we will not be in the garage Wednesday evening because KJ has his all-conference banquet for football, and we're going to go to that. So I'm going to wrap up the video here. We'll get it posted probably later tonight. That way you guys can see it, and then we'll get started again with another video on Thursday for Sunday. So be on the lookout for my 15-second shorts so you can keep up with us on a daily basis. But we're really glad you guys are coming along for us on this ride and hope you're enjoying us putting Pat back together. Say hi to the people, KJ.
What up?
All right, guys. See y'all later.